Welcome back, crochet friends! If you're looking for a fun, beginner-friendly stitch, then you've come to the right place. The woven stitch, also called moss stitch, is an easy crochet stitch made with single crochets and chains. Not only is it easy, but it creates a gorgeous, modern-looking fabric that is perfect for home decor items like blankets, towels and cloths, and even throw pillows. In this video, I will show you how to crochet and change colors when working with the woven stitch. If you'd like to practice the stitch with the pattern, I've linked to the free pattern for the Lily Knits Elemental Throw in the description for this video. Let's get started. The woven stitch requires a foundation chain that is a multiple of 2, so I'm going to chain 24 for this demo. Now that we have our foundation chain, we can begin our first row by single crocheting in the 4th chain from the hook. Chain 1, skip the next chain, and then single crochet in the following chain. Repeat until the end of the row. And that's it for row 1. We can turn our work and begin working on row 2. We begin row 2 by chaining 2. This counts as the first single crochet in chain 1. Skip the first single crochet. We then begin our repeat by single crocheting in the next chain 1 space, chaining 1, and skipping the following single crochet. Work the last single crochet in the chain 1 space of the turning chain from the row below. And that's it. All you need to do is repeat row 2 for the pattern to create this beautiful woven looking stitch. Now that you have the woven stitch down, you may want to work with another color to add some stripes, like I did with the Element Throw blanket. To make a seamless color transition, finish off the last single crochet from the row before the color change with the new color. Now you can turn your work and continue crocheting in the woven stitch pattern. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can also visit the Lily Knits website for free patterns and tutorials, which I've linked to in the video description.